everybody, it's Alan again, and this time we'll explore the second part of the video's name, the almost free boats. This video is about buying used boats from Copart that can present both opportunities and risks. Copart is an auction house that sells boats to the highest bidder. They have locations in Canada, Europe, and the US. And here's a breakdown. Well, you seem like a good person to me, and I need you, another good person like me, to do two things to help me grow my channel. First, please give me a thumbs up, and please watch to the end. Neither of these things will cost you anything except a moment of your time, and it means everything to us as we grow this channel. Thanks. I know you can do it. Now, the good thing about Copart is potential deals. Copart auctions can offer significantly lower prices compared to traditional dealerships or private sellers. This is especially good for salvaged or damaged boats. A wide variety of boats are available, increasing the chances of finding the specific model you want. The online auction format allows for easy browsing and bidding from anywhere. Copart provides images and descriptions of the boat, streamlining the process. Now, let's talk about the bad part.
So, things like hull damage, extensive rust.
The online auction process allows for easy browsing and bidding from anywhere. Copart provides images and descriptions of the boats, streamlining the initial search process.
The one it took off was incredibly dry rot. Broken brackets, corrosion on these sorts of parts showing that the lower unit has been in the water for a long time. Extensive rot. Disgusting. Water leaks in the interior. Excessive cracking.
The bad, uncertain conditions. Boats sold on Copart often have unknown or undisclosed damage. This could range from minor cosmetic issues to severe structural or mechanical problems. Remember, too, that salvage titles can create difficulties with insurance and resale. You have to also add on fees and costs. Beyond the winning bid, buyers face various fees, including auction fees, storage fees, processing fees, Allen's fee. No, kidding about Allen's fee. These can significantly increase the final cost. Transportation of the boats can also be a costly factor. The other issue is inspection limitations. While inspections are sometimes possible, they are limited. This can mean that serious problems can be hidden from sight. Now, next we're going to talk about questionable service of certifying a boat. The reliability of any certification provided by a third party or even Copart themselves should be taken with caution. It is crucial to understand that Copart primarily deals in the auction of vehicles and boats in various states and conditions. It is always best to have a vessel inspected by a qualified and trusted marine surveyor or even a mechanic. A little later, I'll tell you about a marine survey checklist that I'll send you for free. Now, buyers should be aware that Copart's role is primarily that of an auction facilitator, and therefore, due diligence on your part, it's your responsibility. So, buying a boat from Copart can be a cost-effective option, but it requires a thorough research, careful inspection, if that's possible, and a realistic understanding that the potential risks can be high. Let's dig into this. Remember that, like free boats, the boats you see today are probably already sold. You need to do your own searches to find a boat for you. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. About that marine survey checklist, I'll send you one for free. Just email me at the address below. In return, please like and subscribe and click on the links that you see. No, I think it's that site. Yes, over here. Glad to share my bargain boat buying techniques. Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.